I have my contract in California, so I bring him down there. I put him in a hotel. I pay his gas, so I know it's getting done. Okay. So you watch our videos on Facebook. You see Tony all the time on YouTube and TikTok. This is what I realize more and more. Most people will not do what I do at all. What we're trying to do is educate you on the taxes. Even if you have $1,000, $2,000, it doesn't matter. You can do the tax savings.
Do you buy these with your credit card, or do you use that cash? Like a bank? For those actual liens or deeds?
Most of them you're going to require cash. Yes. The attorney fees will be through credit card. Okay. The dumpster will be through credit card. Okay. But you can buy a lien for $1,000, $2,000. The deed auction, no, you're going to pay cash. But LA County has something that they give you like a week or two or something to send in the money.